How to upload files with File Manager in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. On the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click the Files option. It shows all the directories here. Go to the directory where you wish to upload the files. These options perform different tasks. Go and click the plus sign to open the drop-down list. Then click the Upload File option. It opens a browser window that allows you to select files from your local machine. Select the file you want to upload, then click the Open button of this window. Success! The selected file has been uploaded into the HTTP docs directory.